If you are a programmer, then this video is going to very helpful for you. Now you don't have to wander on any site for your programming related issues and problems. There is a BlackBox name site. If you search BlackBox in your Chrome browser, then you will get that link. Now click on that link and then you will land on that page. Now scroll that page and you will get here a search box. Here you can type your query and hit enter button. Now here you will get your answer. Just simply copy that code. Now copy that code and use anywhere you want. And they have launched an extension for VS Code. If you want a video to know how to install that extension and how to use it, then please do comment. I will make a dedicated video for that. Thank you guys. If this video is helpful for you, then please like, share and subscribe your YouTube channel. Thank you.